Shredding of VVPAT paper slips after election petition period. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referral guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes: at the end of the session, the participants will be able to cite the election petition period, explain the procedure of shredding of VVPAT paper slips after the expiry of election petition period. Section 81 of RP Act 1951 talks about the election petition. It says, an election petition can be filed within 45 days from the date of declaration of the result. In general, this term is known as the election petition period. After expiry of election petition period, that is 45 days from the date of declaration of the result, district election officer shall ascertain the position of election petition from the concerned High Court. If there is no election petition filed or no other court cases are pending after the aforesaid period, then the shredding of VVPAT paper slips can be done by the DO. A notice informing the opening of a strong room having the VVPATs shall be given to the representatives of all political parties in writing at least 48 hours in advance, requesting them to remain present at the time of opening of the strong room. The strong room shall be opened in the presence of the district election officer and the representatives of the political parties. VVPAT paper slips pertaining to mock poll and actual poll shall be disposed of by using paper shredding machine within 7 days of the order of the district election officer. The shredding shall be done in the presence of a gazetted officer duly nominated by the DO. The format of the appointment of the gazetted officer is shown on the screen. After the shredding, the DO shall submit a certificate in the prescribed format to the concerned CO within 15 days. The CO shall submit the consolidated certificate in prescribed format within 30 days to the Commission. The certificate to be given by the DO is shown on the screen. The format of the consolidated certificate to be given by the CO is shown on the screen. If any election petition is pending, the VVPAT slip shall be preserved till the final disposal of the election petition. Thereafter, the slips will be disposed as per the process already mentioned. In this educational video, we have learned about the shredding of VVPAT paper slips after the expiry of the election petition period. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on the rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.